Hello everybody. Our lesson today is add mentally. Our objectives is to identify many ways of adding mentally and to apply these ways in solving problems. Let's see ways of adding mentally. Let's solve example 1. How many seats are in the two train cars? We have in the first car 151 seats and in the second car 128 seats. Find 151 plus 128. We know that adding tens or hundreds is easier than adding others. So, to separate any number to its values, I mean to write any number in the expanded form. What is the expanded form? Expanded form gives the value of each digit in a number. To write any number in the expanded form and add these values with the other values of the other number, it is easier. So 151 equals what? 151 equals 100 plus 50 plus 1. Also 128, I will write it in the expand form. 128 is 100 plus 20 plus 8. Now add once, 1 plus 8 is 9. 50 plus 20 is 70. 100 plus 100 is 200. So we have 279. 279. So 151 plus 128 equals 279. So there are 279 seats in the two train cars. Let's solve example 2 to know another way. It is easy to make 100. It is easy to make 100 from number that end in 98 or 99. So to find 134 plus 99, and instead of adding them in this way, we will convert 99 to 100. 99 needs how many to be 100? Yes, needs 1. So we will take 1 from this 134. After we take 1 from 134, it will be 133. Add this one to 99, so it will be what? Yes, it will be 100. Now add 100 and 133, which is easier than adding 134 and 99. 133 plus 100 is, yes, 133 plus 100 equals 233. Make either adding the 10, such as 10, 20, 30, and so on. These numbers are easier to add mentally. As I said before, adding tens, adding numbers in the form of tens is easier than adding other forms. Let's solve example 3. There are 37 students from grade 3A and 25 students from grade 3B on the bus. How many students are on the bus? Use mental math to find 37 plus 25. We have two ways. The first way is changing 25 to 30. And the second way is changing 37 to 40. Let's try the first way. To change 25 to 30, we need how many? Yes, we need 5. We need 5. So we will subtract this 5 from the other number, from 37. So 37 minus 5 will be, yes, 32. Then add this 5 to 25. It will be what? It will be 30. Now 32 and 30 are easier numbers to add. 32 plus 30 equals what? Yes, equals 62. So there are 62 students on the bus. Adding 32 and 30 is easier than adding 37 and 25. When you add 37 and 25, you have to regroup because 7 plus 5 is what? Is 12. So you will write 2 and carry up 1 and do like that. So adding 32 and 30 is easier. The other way, to change 37 to 40, we need how many? Yes, we need 3. So we will take this 3 from the other number, which is 25. 25 minus 3 is, yes, is 22. 25 minus 3 is what? Yes, it's 22. Add these 3 to 37, so it will be 40. Now, 40 and 22 are easier number to add. 40 plus 22 is, yes, is 62. So there are 62 students on the bus. We got the same answer. So you can convert any one of them to tens form to make addition easier. Number 1. Break apart the add-ins to add mentally. We want to add 79 plus 54. So we will break apart. We will convert the standard form to expanded form. 79 equals 70 plus 9. 54 equals 50 plus 4. Now you can add the ones. 9 plus 4 is what? Yes, equals 13. 70 plus 50 equals what? Yes, equals 120. Now 120 plus 13 is, yes, 133. Number 2. Make a 10 to add mentally. We will use another way. 64 plus 8. It is easier to convert 8 to 10 by adding how many? Yes, by adding 2. So we will subtract 2 from 64. It will be 62. Then add these 2 to 8. 8 plus 2 is what? 8 plus 2 is 10. Now we made 10. 62 plus 10 is what? Yes, it's 72. Let's talk math. Would you rather make a 10 or 100 when finding 156 plus 262? Explain. I rather make a 10. Why? 156 plus 262. To make one of them 100, it is harder. Because you will think, how many I need to make 156? 200. But if you think how to make 10, 156, needs how many to be 160? Yes, needs only 4. So it is easier to make a 10. Also 262. How many I need to make 262? 300. It takes a long time of thinking. But if I want to make it tens, so 262 will be 260 if I did what? Yes, if I subtract only 2. So I will make 10. I will subtract 2 from 262 and add it to 156. So our problem will be 158 plus 260. This is easier. Let's solve word problems. Number 13. Sylvia is finding 135 plus 456. Explain how she can find the sum mentally. Okay, she has two ways. She can break apart, and also she can make a 10. I prefer the second way. She can make a 10. How? She needs how many for 135 to be 140? Yes, she needs 5. So she will add 5 to 135. And she will subtract it from 456. So 135 will be, yes, 140. 456 will be 451. Now she needs to add 140 and 451. It is easy. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 4 is 5. So adding 140 and 451 is easier than adding 135 and 456, because adding 5 and 6, for example, needs regrouping. Number 14. There are 49 seats in the balcony of the theater. Use a mental math strategy to find the total number of seats in the balcony and on the main floor of the theater. We have 49 seats in the balcony and 73 seats on the main floor. So we want to add 49 and 73. I think you know the way now. It is easier to make a 10. 49 needs only 1 to be 50. So we will take this one from 73. Now we need to add what? We need to add 50 and 72. 50 plus 72 is? Yes, 50 plus 72 equals 122. So the number of seats is 122 seats. Now we have finished our lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.